I'm super excited to tell you about this one. So on April 13th and 14th, I'm traveling up to ProSeal in Annville, Pennsylvania for our next AK Roundup Pro Striping Workshop. And I couldn't be more excited about this one because so many people come to me and say, Judd, I want to grow a striping business, or I want to start a striping business, or I want to add it as an additional monetization element to my existing business. And so what I've decided is, along with Coach Skyler Garman of ProSeal, is that we're going to launch this AK Roundup Pro Striping Workshop on the 13th and 14th of April, and you're invited. On the 13th of April, we're going to be going through parking lot estimation, everything from understanding your true underlying costs associated with your projects to making sure that you're delivering professional proposals that are going to convert at the highest level using follow-up tactics that are proven with all of our coaching clients that we work with. In addition, on the 13th, we're going to be doing parking lot layout, understanding how to lay out a parking lot like a pro so that your results of your finished product are going to attract more customers for you. And then on day 2, we're going to do in-field striping training. We're going to be pushing stripers as well as ride-on stripers, going to be doing pavement markings, paint change-outs, how to maintain your machines, how to load your machines, and ultimately be out there operating like a pro. So if you're looking at starting a striping business or growing your existing business, you want to attend this. We have a limited number of seats, 50 total seats available for you. We're going to meet in person, and we can't wait to deliver power-packed value to you. $10,000 worth of giveaways, and you're going to also get access to a $5,000 vault that I've created as well over the last 20 years that I want to give you access to at no cost, only if you attend though. So let's level up your business. Let's grow. Go ahead and click that link. Let's get you signed up and invest into your future. Let's do this thing. Can't wait to meet you and shake your hand and take it to the next level. Take care.
If you like this video, go ahead and check out this video or check out this video. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe right here below.